What is up, everybody? New dropout. It's been about 3 months since I have filmed and edited and uploaded a video. I'm gonna be trying something a little bit different this time. Put this here real quick. So, one thing that I haven't done really ever, except for my first few videos that I uploaded, is I don't show myself. I don't show my face. I don't show who I am. I don't show who is the content creator. Not that many of you guys care. But today, got something special for y'all. I just ordered a really cool, awesome upgrade for the car. I'm gonna move it closer to my truck over there. But anyways, so yeah, I haven't uploaded in a while. I want to try new things. Hold on. So one of the main reasons that I haven't uploaded in a while was shortly after my last video where I uploaded that oil catch can. Right after I installed that, I went to a car show. And at that car show, my camera, my GoPro Hero 5, got stolen. I just haven't really uploaded one since then. I did a little quick video of me driving with my boss's Hellcat. But other than that, I haven't done anything. So, now that I've got some parts, I found my Hero 3. Still have a camera, still have capabilities. I will be uploading some more videos again. So, I know I've mentioned in the past, but just as a reminder, this is my 2018 Dodge Charger Scatpack. My baby, her name is Nessie. So far the only things that I've done, mid-muffler delete, so she's loud if you couldn't tell. That's the oil catch can that I installed for you guys on the video last time. And then I meant to record me installing the K&N intake, but didn't have my camera, so that one I just kind of put on out of impatience, because I wanted to put on my performance mods. But today, I will be installing this custom designed, custom built, custom painted strut bar. For those of you who don't know what the strut bar is, it goes right here from Strut towers. It connects the two of them and it helps minimize body roll and sway on the car. So I will be showing you guys how to install that strut bar. So, make sure you guys can see it. So I ordered this on the guy that I found on Instagram, and I'll insert his Instagram tag, his handle. But his Instagram name is Go Get a Racing. Guy named Ricky, really cool dude, really patient, down to earth, excellent customer service. He designs hood props and he custom makes all these strut bars, but he does other work as well. I haven't asked him about his other fabrication projects, but he does other stuff as well, all custom design. But this is what he made for me. So it's a custom design, paint matched, honeycomb, double bar cross strut brace, and it really wasn't even that expensive. I'm not gonna display what price point it was, but I mean, for the sub $400 range, you get custom design. He does letters, he does pictures. I just chose to do honeycomb, something different, something that no one else had. And you can do any paint color of your choice. You can do a two-tone, you can do carbon fiber. Yeah, he does it all. But go check out his Instagram. I think he's got a website. I know he's got a Facebook, but go check it out. I'll put a link in the description. I'll probably put up a tag right here. But let's get to it. yeah, so first thing you're gonna do is you remove the 3 hat bolts for the top strut brackets where the tower's at. So these 3 bolts right here. It's a 13mm socket. They're actually not really tight. I think they're only like 30 foot-pounds of torque. So I take those 3 bolts on each side, so 6 bolts total. And then you just put the strut bar on there. So this thing's not that heavy, it's maybe 15-20 pounds, maybe. So try not to grab it by the center part. I mean, mine can probably handle it because it's got a lot of contact points, but a lot of the other personnel or people that buy these with the words and lettering and stuff, there's maybe 1 or 2 contact points, so it's not as sturdy. Mine's really sturdy, so I can grab mine by the honeycomb right here. Pick it up evenly, lay it down straight, and it's on. All I gotta do left is tighten the bolts down and go for a test drive. So she's installed. Not sure if I want to custom fabricate these to where they fit on. I'd have to cut pretty much two lines and holes right there to fit the bar, but I might go with that for a little bit, unless I can find little caps for my bolts. But yeah, that's it. It's my Grocery Getter Racing custom strut bar in granite crystal metallic with the honeycomb design in the center. So hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. I just want to do a quick post-install video. See how this thing feels on turns. I don't know if you guys didn't know this or not, but my name, Nuke Dropout. For those of you who would understand, I joined the military to be a nuclear mechanic. I ended up backing out of the program because I didn't like the hours that were overtaking my day. When I first got married, I really hardly ever saw my wife. So I got out of the program and became something different. Now I'm a weapons tech, an armorer. But I live close to the base out here, and there's a lot of back roads. Yeah, so I'm going to be going to the back roads of base. A lot of windy turns and such. Also, this is a chance for me to test out how the camera angle is. I just ordered 2 more GoPros and another suction cup mount. So we'll see how it does with the angle. If you guys can see fine at this angle, then I'll just keep it like this. You guys can see over my shoulder and see me driving, see the dash, see everything here. So first initial impressions, for those of you who don't own a Charger or a car of this size, this car is about 4,300 pounds. There's a reason that a lot of the car guys call Mopars boats. They are heavy cars. Granted, they're heavily reinforced to handle the power that we put into them, because Mopar right now makes the top power plant for American sports cars. And so, you know, naturally, being a heavy car as this is, and I think the top heaviest cars would be like a Charger, maybe a Cadillac of some sort, old school Pontiac. I mean, American cars, let alone sedans, are already heavy. This car is heavy as well. Like I said, about 4,300 pounds. And the initial reaction when driving this car is, when you're on obviously you're not going to feel it now at low speeds, but when you're on a high roll, getting on an on-ramp on a freeway, or a roundabout, an off-ramp, windy roads, this car, it sways. this thing is heavy. It rolls. There's a lot of body roll. The front end picks up a lot on a sharp turn, and I'm hoping to eliminate that with the sway bar. The first initial impression is it feels a lot more planted. It definitely feels like it's handling the turn a lot better. Now I'm running on stock tires. For the base model Scatpack owners and those who don't know much about the car, stock Scatpacks or base model Scatpacks that don't have like the dynamics package come stock with 245 wide tires. I don't know what Dodge was thinking putting a near 500 horsepower car with 245 wide tires front and rear. Those things got zero traction at all. Especially when it rains, I am all over the road. But the thing has zero traction, so it already has trouble sticking to the ground as it is. So I'm hoping to minimize all of that. I know most people, they go for cosmetics and then maybe some performance. I'm looking at handling. I want to upgrade my handling to the best of my ability before I start adding power gains. First add to that would be the sway bar. I'm sorry, the front strut bar. After this, I do plan on getting the iBock Pro front and rear sway bars with the new bushings. I am looking at either iBock Pro lowering springs, which drop at about 2 inches, or getting the K-Sport coilovers. Those will be a little bit stiffer, and they'll definitely be a heck of a lot shorter, lower on the ride height, but it'll be phenomenal in a track setting compared to stock. This isn't a Subaru, it's not a little Toyota, it's not a little 1,200-pound Honda. So it's gonna have body roll. It's gonna be, it's gonna move heavily. It's a heavy car. So no matter what I do, it's still, just under 5,000 pounds. But I'm trying to eliminate that factor by assisting the handling. Once I get handling locked down, I've got my sway bars, got my strut bars front and rear. I'm not doing the rear yet because I got to cut into my carpet. But once I get front and rear strut bars, and then I get my front and rear sway bars, and I get either my springs or my coilovers, then I'll start adding power. I've already got intake on it. This thing hugs significantly tighter. I like it. I already have the intake. I already have modified exhaust. I will be doing some either hookers or Cooks long tube headers. Thinking of going 3-inch all the way back, but I will be doing a full exhaust. Yeah, once I get funding enough and all my handling platform is done with, I will be looking at manual mode. I will be looking at a Pro Charger kit. I think for the cost effectiveness of what I'm paying for, between that, a turbo setup, or a supercharger, like a twin screw or something like that, I think the Pro Charger is going to be more efficient for the money. I'm spending about $6,000 or $7,000 on the system alone, on any system regardless of what it is. But I feel like with the Pro Charger, even with the moderate tune, moderate boost settings at 6 or 7 pounds, I'll be around 650 wheel horsepower. I do plan on doing some supporting engine mods, so I'll be upgrading my heads. Just some new forged drop-in pistons, maybe crankshaft, camshaft. Connecting around, making it so where it can support the power, but that's not going to be probably for another year or two. So I will be dealing with this 500 horsepower. Might get a tuner for it, don't know. I don't know if I want to buy a handheld programmer for it or not. I got the windows down, so if you hear any wind noise, that's why. But yeah, let's see how this thing does. Slowing down because I want to give that car a chance to get away from me. I want to take the turns a little bit faster. Oh yeah. Again, it's not an all-wheel drive track car, but for a 4,300 pound boat, this thing taking the turns pretty good.
This bittersweet heat is suffocating. waiting, I'm waiting, and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.